In just 55 minutes, a direct flight from Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport to Abilene Regional Airport will bring you straight to Eagle Aviation Services, Inc., a subsidiary of Envoy and one of our heavy maintenance bases that helps keep the skies safe and our aircraft running smoothly. EASI actively engages in inspiring candidates to join or continue a career in aircraft maintenance. The team visits local schools and attends job fairs to connect with potential applicants. By engaging with schools, the community, and future employees at events, EASI builds strong relationships that ensure passionate individuals align with the company's goals and values, while also contributing to the local economy in Abilene once they jump on board. To encourage engagement, students are regularly invited to tour the EASI facility for an up-close look at the operation. For years, EASI has been working closely with Texas State Technical College to develop a program that supports students from the local school that offers an A&P program. In addition to the partnership with TSTC, an on-the-job training program, as well as a military transition program is available for candidates. The on-the-job training program assists current employees who want to learn more about aircraft maintenance and take on increasing responsibilities. The Military Transition Program helps veterans leverage their skills and military experience to obtain an A&P license and successfully transition into the EASI maintenance team.
So I want to become an aircraft mechanic just because I always liked airplanes, and then I joined the Air Force, and that's the job I just happened to end up with. I loved it. When I was getting out, I saw that TCC here offered an A&P course, so I decided to stick around the area and go to that.
As I was a student at TCC, I signed up and got accepted into the on-the-job training here, and then graduated from there, and pretty hands-on. That's what I like about it.
Direct hires are also encouraged to apply and are welcome to join the EASI team.
I'm a direct hire, so in my interview they asked me if you could describe yourself as with one word, what would that be? And I said happy, and I think I am happy when I work here. It was always just kind of in my sights to turn wrenches, and what better way to turn it on planes.
Elevate your aircraft maintenance career by joining the team at Eagle Aviation Services, Inc. in Abilene, Texas, or at an Envoy maintenance base at locations across the United States.